Footage leaked from a biosurveillance lab in Nevada, labeled Hiccup Protocol, Test Subject 19B. It showed a man sitting calmly, heart monitors attached, under heavy glass quarantine. At exactly 3:07 p.m., he hiccuped. 6 guards outside the glass dropped instantly. Dead. No visible trauma, no sounds, just collapse. That clip got 4 million views before it vanished. The CDC issued a statement calling it a hoax artifact. But 2 days later, during a live interview on a Texas morning show, the same man appeared as a wellness guest. He hiccuped once while laughing. Within 7 seconds, a camera crew member behind the scenes collapsed on air, then a second, then the host. The segment was cut, scrubbed. Every mirror of the video was geo-blocked in under an hour. Now there's a whisper online. Every hiccup resets the radius. Every city is next. Don't breathe within 14 feet unless you're ready to drop. Last night, I saw him, New York subway, car 6B, just sitting, pale, nervous, and he just hiccuped. Comment part 2. What is the truth behind Subject 19B? Can the spread be stopped, or is it airborne now?